Did you know that this can easily double as this? Let me show you. Hey everyone, my name's Trisha Hirschberger, and today I'm going to show you how your Pixel phone can be a webcam in literally 2 steps. One of the lesser-known features built into Google Pixel phones running Android 14 and newer allows you to use your phone camera as a high-quality webcam. Whether you want to look nicer on a video call or maybe you need a different angle for content creation, this can really come in handy. Google also includes an HQ mode to kick it up a notch further in terms of video quality so you can get a smooth 1080p 30 frames per second. Sweet! Here's how it works. First, plug your phone into your PC using a USB-C to USB-C cable. Then, a notification will pop up for the USB connection and you will choose Webcam. And that's it. Really. If you want to see what the cam is capturing in real time, you can just tap the webcam notification that pops up and it will open a full screen view of what's being captured. If you want to go the extra mile, you could enable HQ mode with the toggle in the viewfinder to make that video quality really shine. Note that HQ mode will take more battery and may cause your phone to get a little warm, so keep that in mind if you plan on using it for long periods of time. Other bonus moves to up your phone as a webcam game? Pop your phone in a stand of some sort to stabilize it, or mess around with autofocus, smooth zooming, and depending on your bandwidth, you can even adjust the resolution size. It's pretty rad that you can do this natively on Pixel phones, and it makes me wonder what Google has planned next for this feature. Maybe an audio capture option as well? Let us know your own hopes, guesses, and dreams for this feature in the comments. Thanks for watching, everyone, and I will see you next time with more DIY in 5.